They're plastic, but they're really pretty. And they look like they could be glass. Whatever they're for, I'm going to use them for, I think, salad. That's great. What else we got here? When I'm packing to go on a trip, I need Temu tablets, I tell you. Also, this is for the table. No, this is for pillows. This one says Merry Christmas. Doesn't he look all jolly and friendly? And it's the most wonderful time of the year. I got so many pillows that I can put this in and have them. You know, a few years ago, I sent the kids down to Walmart to get me some Christmas pillows. And they brought some back. And they weren't real expensive, but it was money I didn't have to spend had Temu been around then. And I didn't know, I didn't think about it with Amazon. And look at this one. This one says, Merry Christmas to all. And I got these in African American, but you can get them in any, you know, whatever you want. Ah, look at the little one. Christmas blessings. And it's really, here I go again with the material. I don't know what it is, but it feels pretty good. I don't know if you've used these, but see, it has a zipper. And it's a plastic zipper, but it seems to work really well. And you just put your pillow in there, and you're good to go. And then when another season comes, you order some more and use the same pillow. Economical, huh? Thank you, Temu. This, I showed you half of this order the other day, which was 2 items. I don't know why they separated it, and I don't know what took this one 2 days more to come. This is another one for a different shape for a bolster type pillow. And it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. You know what? I'm not even going to talk about these. I thought they were bigger. I really thought they were a lot bigger. What in the world? Oh, this is napkin rings too. Like I said, the only ones I had was the, I like those. Are they, I thought they were gold, but they look kind of rose gold, but I ordered gold. Anyway, we'll see if we can make those. Aren't those pretty though? If I can make those work. When I got some little drop earrings. Look at those. It says Merry Christmas. I usually just wear these, but I need to get away from them. So, wear something else. And I just cannot resist clothes. Oh, and this little dress, I don't know if I've worn this before, but it is just great. And it came from Temu, and it looks like newspaper print. And it goes down a little, like midi, a little bit below your knee. It's a great house dress. I guess it could be a nightgown, but it's sold as a dress. It is so comfortable, so light, launders so good. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's rose gold. I just put it next to the gold, and that's rose gold. That's not what I ordered, but we'll see. I have to go back and look at my order. Let's see what this is. Sweater or something. What size is this? It's a 4XL. It's like a sweatshirt. Just a girl who loves Christmas. Oh, it's an iron-on, but it's well done. So, and I don't know what I paid for it, but it wasn't much. I like it. Long sleeve, keep me warm. And then I got a box from Dia Co today. Now what I'll have to do is take pictures when I try this on and upload the pictures. You know, I don't have any pause on this phone. The box is really, really big. Oh my God. If I buy everything in the box, it's $416. Oh my goodness. So it is, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I guess because the holidays? I don't know, but there's 7 items. The total box is $582. I have a $20 styling fee that they've deducted. A full box discount of 25% for 5 items comes to $416, and I have a credit of $70, so that'll take it down to $3 something. But anyway, let's see what all we got. The only thing about them is usually I want everything. These are Tahari, and I don't see them on there. They're tummy control, stretches and shapes instantly, instant slimming. It's a 2X. They are pull-on, but they don't look like it. I really like the material. It's heavy. And this, I think I told you this was a 2X. The pants are $68. They're ankle length. I like those. That would go with red. That would go with black. That would go with a lot of things. I like that. I have a sweater, something like this. Already. It's from the Avenue, and it's a cardigan, and it's $72. I like the bottom of it, and I like the cuffs. It's different than what I have. Mine is more like a jacket, but it does have this print on it. I like that too. And let's see what this is. OMG. This is City Chic, and it's a jacket. That looks too small. Oh, but look at the back of it. Can you see that? And look at the front. I think that's too small. Some 20s, if they're cut a certain way, I can't wear them. I really wear a 22, and they can't give me they either have a 2X, which is a 20, or they have 22-24, and 22-24 is too big. It's sloppy on me, especially the shoulders. That's pretty. Very pretty, very holiday. It is I'm sure it's polyester, but looks like satin. %100% polyester. And let's see, what is it? It's a satin button-down, oyster colored. It's $56. It's really pretty. My daughter's giving a white party soon, next month in December. I used to go to them, but I really feel like maybe I shouldn't go because I can't move around. I just really sit. I mean, I enjoy sitting and people watching and stuff and watching them have fun, and they do serve dinner, you know. But the last time I went, she criticized me for not moving around. Well, I'm moving around with a cane, y'all. And sometimes my equilibrium gets, you know, I walk like I'm drunk. That's what I walk like. But anyway, I'm not. So That would be great to wear. And this is a square neck blouse by Catherine Mallon. Oh well. Let's don't even try to do that. Catherine Maladrino. Oh, you guys, look at the sleeves. And then it has the cuffs like a regular sweater or whatever. But you see the sleeves? Isn't that beautiful? Wow. That one's $63. And this is they're really after me. They're really trying, huh? This is a quilted faux fur vest. It's by CMV. This is a 2X. You know, I've never been a gray girl. I'd have to wear something else up under it with some color. I'm just not a gray person. Let's see, how much is this one? This one is $68. They really stayed in, the only one that's more expensive is the black one for evening wear, kinda. That one is $120. So. Oh, and there's a leather skirt, a faux leather skirt. Look at that. This would go really good with this cream colored blouse. And I got a necklace that this would just really set off. But I also have some pearls that would look good with it. This is great. Oh my God. It's a wraparound. Let me tell you a quick story about the wraparound. When I was in school and I took sewing, there were Asian kids in the class and they could sew. We were like 7th, 8th, 9th grade. They could sew like professionals. And we had to make, certain garments. Well, I was making a wraparound skirt. I worked on that skirt for a whole semester and it was the ugliest thing that was in the class. And I hated it. I hated going in and spending 45 minutes or whatever we had to spend. So one day, the one weekend, the school was broken into. When you're a kid, you don't think, right? The school was broken into. So I took my skirt home and I hid it. So the next, when I went to class and the teacher said, "Where's your skirt?" And I said, "I don't know." I said, "Maybe it was stolen when..." Maybe it was stolen when the school was broken into. And she said, she didn't try to hide it, she said, "Patricia," she said, "all the beautiful garments in here." That sure made me feel good, right? She said, "And they stole your skirt?" She said, "You need to bring that skirt back." I said, "I don't have it. They took it." So anyway, she called my mother, and I went home and my mother said, where is, where is that skirt? So she made me take the skirt back to school, and I had to work on it again to finish it in order to get the credit. But hey, I tried. I tried hard. But wasn't that insulting when she said, out of all the beautiful garments in here, they take your skirt? Well, I'm trying to hurry up with this video, and I'm already at 25 minutes, so maybe I should just stop and do this other box at another time. I bought something that has a roaster that you can roast your turkey on, and then it has a frame with 3 shelves so that you can do macaroni and cheese on one, you can do your candied yams on one, and I thought it was great. I get stuck with doing all the cooking except for my oldest daughter. She did dinner last year and it was perfect, and she'll help me. But the one that lives across town, she has a double oven and she doesn't know how to cook. So since I get stuck with it, I bought this thing that would be equivalent, I guess, to a double oven. But it sure would make life a lot easier, Anyway, that's all I got to show you. I had some things to talk to you about. Let me see, I had made a few notes. Um, I'm going to start my Christmas decorating after Thanksgiving. And I have to have my tree up on December 8th because that's my oldest daughter's birthday. And we always, since she's been in the world, we've always decorated and had the tree up on the 8th of December. So I'm going to shoot for that. Otherwise, I don't have anything to talk to you about today. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I'm really happy about the little plates from Temu. Really happy about that. I don't know, little salad plates or whatever. If they're for nuts and stuff like that, I'm not real happy about them. But can I use them for whatever I want to use them for? Help me here. Anyway, I'm going to bring this to a close. If y'all haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the notification button. Please share if you know anybody that you think would be interested in anything that I have to say or do or show or whatever. And thank y'all for coming. Thank you so much. Where's the little thing? Where's the little remote? Somebody's at the door. Is it for you? Oh.